Okay, this part here, note that when n is equal to 1, we have sine of pi. Okay, so basically this is what we're doing. Here's sine of pi, which is 0. And then as n increases, we're going to get, pi over 2 here. So we're going to add this much. And then pi over 4, we're going to add that value right there. And then half of that, we're going to add this value, this little height here. Half of that, we're going to add this height value. So the height will shrink and shrink and shrink and shrink. Okay, let's say we just omit, right, the sine of, pi plus sine of pi over 2. Because after that, the values are constantly decreasing. You can see that this has to be converging, right? Because first of all, it's a decreasing function, and it's converging to 0. Okay. Okay, and we can even state that in this way, right? So sine of, so we say Tn, which is sine of pi over n, is decreasing when n is, right? N is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so when it's 1, it's here. When it's 2, it's here. So after that, it's constantly decreasing by observing the graph. And the second part is the limit of sine of pi n. This is going to be sine of essentially 0, which is approaching 0. So it checks off the both conditions. Therefore, by alternating series test, it's converging.